Welcome back everyone! For this hairstyle, you're going to need a curling iron with a clamp. Since I have long hair, I'm using my biggest 1 1/4 inch curling iron, but if you have shorter hair, use a smaller one. Make sure to apply heat protectant all over your hair and secure half of it up. Divide your bottom section in half and let's start crimping. I'm going to demonstrate the method at the end of my hair first because it's easier to see that way. What you're going to do is wrap your hair in your curling iron. Instead of going around to create a curl, you would go the opposite way. When you do this, your hair would wrap around the clamp instead and create a bend. Then, wrap the remaining hair around the other side of the clamp. If you do this correctly, your hair should only be wrapped around the clamp, not the iron itself. You should hold this in for about 5 seconds, and when you release your hair, you should get a defined crimp. This is actually the same awkward, undesired bend that you get when you use the curling iron in the wrong way. However, since we want crimps, this is just perfect. So now that you get the concept, start doing this near the top of your hair and move towards the bottom. After you're done with one section, continue to the next. If you have thick hair, you can experiment with bigger, thicker sections like I'm doing it here. Just make sure that you spread your hair out so it covers most of the clamp. This way, your hair will get the maximum exposure to the heat. Okay, now watch as I do some magic. 1, 2, 3, boom! Just kidding! The weather was just really wacky on that day, so I apologize in advance for the lighting. And there it goes again. Anyway, let's continue to the other side. I know that looks a little confusing on camera, but trust me, once you try out this method on yourself, it will make all sense. Once you're done with your bottom layers, release your hair and secure off your crown. Then continue on crimping your hair. And here's an idea of what it'll look like with blonde hair. If you don't want to have to keep removing your curling iron, another way to do this is to carefully slide it down like so. This way is faster, but your crimps won't be as defined. So since we're going for that messy look, I would suggest for you to just spontaneously grab random sections. Take some large ones, some medium, and some small. Don't be precise. It'll definitely look more fun if your crimps come in all different sizes. Now release the rest of your hair. Since this is the outer part of your hair, you should crimp closer to your roots. That way, you'll get some great volume. When you're all done, shake your hair and separate some of the crimps with your fingers. If you find any straight strands, you can fix them to your liking. Afterward, give your top some scrunch for more mega volume. I prefer to leave my bangs as is, but you can crimp them if you like, and you're done. This is one of my new favorite hairstyles to wear for the hot season. It seriously makes my hair look 3 times as thick, and I love that. These messy, sexy crimps are very unique, and they lasted the whole day and even until the next day for me without any hairspray. I really hope you all will give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Have fun, and don't forget to wear this hairstyle with a smile. I'll see you all very soon. Toodles!